I live in Covent Garden, a busy and exciting part of London. My flat is small, but I like living here because it's near the river and there are lots of shops and cafes. Where do you live?
I live in North London.
I live in Shoreditch, which is in East London.
In West Berlin, but it's kind of in the central, like in the centre of Berlin.
I live in South London, in Camberwell.
I live in Notting Hill, actually.
East Sussex, right on the coast.
I live in East Finchley, which is in London.
I'm from Brisbane in Australia.
I live in Bloomsbury in central London.
I live in the suburbs. It's about 10 kilometres from the city. It's very leafy, lots of trees.
Do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a brick-built house, 3 bedrooms.
I live in a flat.
I live in a flat.
It's a white house. It's at the end of a little street that's just off one of the main roads, and it's quite quiet.
It's a 1-bedroom flat.
I live in a house, a 4-bedroom house with 4 other people.
In a house.
It's a modern space. It's 1 bedroom. It's quite small, but it's very nice.
What do you like about where you live?
I like the garden. We've got a garden. We have barbecues there. I think that's good.
I can catch a bus from anywhere, come home, and I feel comfortable walking home at 12, 1 o'clock at night because there's so many people around.
It's only just 2 flats in the building, so I only have one neighbour who's very sweet and fun as well, so I don't have too many neighbours to worry about.
We have parks, we have some restaurants, French restaurants, Italian restaurants. We have a local church.
It looks out over a small valley that's just in our suburb, so you can see all the other houses around and the trees.
I'm close to the museums, universities, teaching hospitals. It's easy to get about because there are many underground stations, and it's very friendly.
Everyone says hello in the morning and good evening in the afternoon, and it's a pleasant place to live.
What don't you like about where you live?
What I don't like about it is at times I have to get on the Northern Line on the tube, and it takes me 50 minutes to get to work.
It's quite noisy on the streets, I think.
Well, it's quite crowded, and there's quite a lot of rubbish on the streets. There's too many cars and not enough places for children to play.
It's always busy.
There isn't actually anything I don't like about it. I really like it there.
Sometimes, because it's in the middle of a city, it can be very dusty and polluted.
It's nowhere near a tube station. I have to get the bus all the time.